Skylander. If we're going to find the ancient Terra Squid, we're going to have to go see Sharpfin over in Motleyville. He owns the scrapyard there and deals in hard-to-find items, including information, which is what we need.
Wait, did you say scrapyard? Awesome! Maybe that Sharpie fella can give me some parts for my ship. Let's do this! Boom! Nice place you brought me to.
I'm sorry, Flynn, but we'll need help to find the Terra Squid.
From who? This place is a ghost town. Oh, hey, there's someone over there. How you doing there? I'm Flynn, the best pilot in Skylands. You probably haven't heard of me because you live out here in the boonies, but I'm kind of a big deal in the civilized world. We're looking for Baron Sharpfin. Heard he might be able to help us out. We're on important Skylandery business. Hello?
I don't like this.
Well, yeah, he's being super rude.
No, it's... Oh, no! Whiskers! You change him back!
I am sorry to have to inform you that Sharpfin is no longer the Baron. This municipality is under new management, so to speak. You are now the esteemed guests of the great Baron von Shellshock, servant of Lord Chaos and all-around power schnitzel. Willkommen to the new Motleyville.
That rotten shell shock locked us up and evilized Whiskers. Watch out! Whiskers is going to attack!
No escape for the bird, so fight! Watch the birdie! Your little bird serves me now! A little birdie told me you will lose, and he hates you. No way out of this bird cage. The bird will have the last word in the arena.
Come on, Skylander, you can do it!
That bird's goose is cooked, yeah? Now this is bird watching. No way out of this bird cage. Watch the birdie! Now this is bird watching. That bird's goose is cooked, yeah? Your little bird serves me now! A little birdie told me you will lose, and he hates you. The bird will have the last word in the arena. Watch the birdie! The bird will have the last word in the arena. Your little bird serves me now!
It's free!
Suddenly, I remember a very pressing engagement. Auf Wiedersehen!
Skylander, you have to help us!
And what have we here? A Skylander, eh? Name's Sharpfin. That uppity crab back there barged into my town, acting like he owns the place, and started shipping my hard-earned valuables off to some chaos fella. Tell you what, help me rid this town of him, and I'll be forever in your debt. For a little while, at least. All right, Skylander, you chase down Shellshock, and we'll go after Tessa's birdie.
Skylanders of the undead element are stronger in this zone.
Clear the air.
You probably deserve being locked in there.
Oh, you're not still mad about that, are you? They were homemade enchiladas. How could I resist?
Jumpy powerhouse. Greeble Heaver.
Level up. How do you expect to catch me? You have no discipline. I'm always one step ahead of you. Catch me if you can, Skylander. And newsflash, you can't.
Be careful out there. We don't need anyone else hurt.
Level up.
Perfect.
Watch out for those goo pits. They'll hurt you bad.
Yeah, I'm stinking rich.
He's heading over the bridge.
This bridge is closed for repairs, Herr Skylander.
You take it from here, Skylander. I need to clean up this goop before it spreads any further.
A bouquet of riches.
Level up.
Power blast!
Burn to be wild.
Hey, Skylander! I was cleaning up this goop, but then they burst into flames. I made it out safe, but I left my lucky hat behind. Would you mind grabbing it for me?
Skylanders of the fire element are stronger in this zone.
I'm stoked over this hat.
Skylanders of the undead element are stronger in this zone.
Let's roll! Let's jam! Yes! Cha-ching! Woohoo! Roll with it!
You will never catch me!
Ultimate Stammer!
Your time is up. Light core. Level up. More power.
Look at all these legs! You will never catch me!
Time to cut and run. Level up. More power.
It is not so easy to get rid of me, dove trottles. I go boom, you fall down.
We'll need something pretty powerful to get through this junk pile. I bet Gibbs has got something stashed away that can help us.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
and roll. Could definitely do some damage in here.
Only a swap Skylander with the speed ability can activate this swap zone.
Let's ruffle some feathers.
Ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Good job. Great job. You win.
Hocus Focus!
Yes!
What are you doing blowing up my gate? Yeah, I figure you're gonna need a cannon to get into that village. Lucky for you, I happen to have one. Here you go. This old cannon ought to do it for you.
Yes!
Hocus Focus!
Level up. Hoot power! Flying the coop.
Another triumph. A curious place this is. Flying the coop. Ooh, shiny.
There is a famous saying in Skylands, one Mabu's trash is another Mabu's treasure. Perhaps that's why Sharpfin, the Baron of Motleyville, is rumored to be the wealthiest person in the Cloudbreak Islands. It is said that there is no junk he would not accept, as long as he could sell it back to you for 3 times its value.
Never had a doubt. Level up. Hoot power!
Earth Gear Golem.
Meet my new champion, a sand golem. I call him Sandy.